Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on!
Put it in your mouth. Ready, go.
Mouth. Ew. It's on your shirt. Casey, come here. Oh, it's on Tanner's head.
That is horrible. Go away, dog. Why did anybody do that?
Casey, let me see your mouth.
No. Oh my God, get out.